Hello, my people. I beg, I just have 5 minutes. My break don't finish now. I have 5 minutes. When I was on live video now, before my first video, our brother, Destiny Bagwa, was calling me. Okay, so this phone is the one that was using, so I don't have another phone. I would have put him on the phone direct. Okay, so I just finished now. He called me and he explained to me, said I should come and explain to everybody what really happened. There has never been a saga. There have never been a fight between Edward and Esther, the lady of song. She explained to me how everything happened. She permit me not to. No, he explained to me what happened. I permit me to come and tell the whole world what happened. Our brother Destiny Bagwa, I just talked to him just not up to 5 minutes ago. He said that the day all of us saw on the video of Ambassador Jonosage's birthday that Esther Dokpaji did not join them on the celebration table or wishes a word happy birthday. So he said what happened was a day before, a 2 days before that Jonosage birthday. Somebody on this social media, they said her name is Queen TV, did a video to promote Esther Dokpaji, really talk good of Esther Dokpaji. And Esther Dokpaji now shared that video. He said at the end of this woman, this social media presenter, I don't know who she is, as about to end that video, that woman, this same woman that called Queen TV, I don't know, now insulted Edward, that Edward is older than Destiny Bagwa. Okay? Please share this video. Let it go viral now. You people are hearing from Destiny Bagwa now, not from me. Now Destiny Bagwa, I call in, so now I talk. Someone I hear Wetin happen. Please share this video. Let it go viral the way you want where they carry go viral. He said this queen now, when he won't finish the video where he take praise Esther Dokpaji, he can't talk say the Edward old pass Destiny Bagwa, and Esther can't share that video. Esther no watch that. Esther can't share that video. So when Esther shared that video, knows everybody had a look now. People were where this same woman for cause for talk say Edward old pass Destiny Bagwa, they can't cut that video, can't go give Destiny Bagwa, say look, can't go give Edward, say look, oh, why Esther go share the video when they for the insult? That's why I tell her, say if you not see video or they cut them half, put her for a pro, put her for bloggers page, please take your time. Please take your time to come and watch that video from number 1 to the last. Because there is never a D without C. There is never a C without B. There is never a 10 without 9. So that make you know, Wetin make this person talk like this. Wetin make him, because don't say bloggers cut him. If person cut him, you don't go come here Wetin whether that person talk good of you, Wetin come make her talk bad of you, you know, can't know. So Esther, don't you know watch that video finish? She just see the way where the woman take praise and then she can't share. So when they send her to her, when Edward come send her to Destiny Bagwa, say, look, oh, why Esther go share this kind of video? So as Destiny Bagwa say, he can't your verse. When they say he can't call her, no, say he can't call Esther Dokpaji, look, you know watch the video finish. This person is insulting Edward. Will you bring down that video as a man and the man of the house? He says that Dokpaji not bring her down. The next day, now what comes say, look, the video, people are still sharing it to me that it's still on Esther Dokpaji war. So now Destiny Bagwa said, now he can't drive car, he can't go Esther Dokpaji house, say, Amata. Yet time we will drop a video. What you gonna make that kind of video? What you gonna make that kind of video they do for your war? Please drop it. Instead of calling a quarrel, it's not be small thing. Okay? Edward not go there. Edward was not there. It is not between Destiny Bagwa as the man of the house. Okay? That went to Esther Dokpaji house to start quarreling with Esther Dokpayi for her not bringing down that video, because I get a man now. Let me now. I'm not in their love triangle. It will like Esther Dokpayi for music, Desne Bagwa, what? So I can never share the video where they are insulting Esther Dokpayi. Likewise, where they are insulting Desne Bagwa. Likewise, that's why I thought say, enemy to your friend, a friend to your enemy is your enemy. Like all these juju evil supporters, somebody take and they knock their chest. Tomorrow they come to say they love you. No, person where they comfortable where they for the insult your papa, insult you, insult your family. You can't say one wish you happy birthday or he can't love you. Send that person to the pit of hell where from they come. So Dokpayi did very wrong. Say fine, you don't listen to the video, but when our brother, the husband to both of them, come and say, go and drop that video, Esther Dokpayi, it is there you make that mistake. You see, so after the quarrel, the day when they come quarrel, so was a day to Genosage's birthday. Okay? So Esther Dokpayi that big offense, come the verse say, Destiny, their husband, because say on the 16th of February, now go be 6 years. They're in relationship with Esther Dokpayi. So 6 years not be my man, yo. This a married man with a side chick. Okay, even married people, they so not even the last 6 months to not to talk say they won't last a year. So it's more celebrating that 16th of February. We have to celebrate Esther Dokpayi and Oga Destiny friendship. Her love friendship. Remember, that one will be on the 16th. So Esther Dokpayi was very wrong for not listening to Desne Bagwa to bring down that video, from his page, and for not wishing Edward happy birthday. Okay? For not wishing Edward happy birthday, because my sister Esther Dokpayi, I know they look Toto Faulkner show. It is very bad. That's what I hear from my husband now. Okay? It's not matter to anyone. Run my for Africa. How many of our parents they put money for head? Not be to born haters that they call her papa, mama, husband, and wife. Hey, go away me. Who just call they marry for court, come marry for then we come become the number one something to talk about the side chick, no side chick. No, people they get side chick. No, what's like it's not matter to anyone. Or come to deal with somebody. It's better to deal with somebody for years, happily with that person, than to deal on marriage. You put money for your head. They beat you every day. You are not happy. Please, you should take it from your score that they are not married. Please. Oh, come on. You not married. They made the 2 day okay like this. Then you will come. Esther no watch the video before sharing. You know, he said no forget story. That is what the man is saying to me. I make Esther Dokpayi, if you think that you want to draw, if you have any misunderstanding with Edward, misunderstanding with Desne Bagwa, you want to come and make your fans to look them instead of what make a gbiyan and make a senior segbe. I have few pegwa, I have few get up. So me man wa him with the social media now. Sister Esther Dokpayi, Edward and Desne Bagwa say make a sit down and say that one where I sit up say na Edward. Now I share that audio. It should not be Edward. Okay? Of which she said Monica, I know maybe I not see the video. He said Monica even still talk him. Say not be Edward send the audio to her. Now Edward friend. Where Edward send that audio to. Now that Edward friend can send her to them for Italy. From Italy can reach Monica hand. Say now Edward by himself. Now I share that audios to Monica. He said never. He said he even carry the Edward and Esther of the girl juju place there. He won't swear. Now I make Edward come talk to say no. He go swear. He no give those. He never talk to Monica for phone, or he no give those audio to Monica. So she was ready to swear. Okay, so he said that's so the court settle that matter of that audio, of which that make me sit tell Mama just say be my hunger. Edward of your audio game, Monica. So make we not see take and say, make we not come see here and say slap Edward. Desne Bagwa can slap Esther back. Of which the way Desne Bagwa tell me now, Desne Bagwa no Edward no Esther no slap Edward. Edward don't slap Esther back. Now the crisis was between Desne Bagwa and Esther for not dropping that video after I don't tell her and say make you drop that video. No, I'll call this up. No, she do it when she called me because listen, I don't say she called me. Now you know Sabi. Oh now who rich now the elephant they die for a door. So I reach where I reach for this social media. There's never one phone call. There's never one Esther don't pay the phone call. So for you to call me, you know, say, fine, Mama, I want to. You know that I stand for the truth. And what the video I do before this one, it was not a saga video. It was the truth, nothing but the truth. Now talk official still saying now about that audio. He said. He carried word the way he was ready to swear. Say he never give that audio to Monica. Of which Monica constantly come at us say word not send out to her direct. He send out to a friend. Now that friend can send out to somebody waiting for Italy. Italy person can send out to Monica. So it's only make better. But every came on you may say they only name. He son the simple something. I don't with me present that don't see topic now. So there is never a fight between Edward and Esther. There's never one only quarrel with Esther for not bringing down that video. And that the next day was Genosage's birthday. So, let me account to say, yes, Genosage's birthday, but they're supposed to let us know, say, there's nothing like Ezra or man standing there now. So now because I'm come make everybody come they suspect they don't they quarrel or the one where you go do yesterday and I come they explain I come they all those ones it's not it doesn't worth it, okay? So now I come to say even that night after Genosage's birthday, Esther went to Esther went to RTIG. Esther went to this audio, yeah, 219 audio, yeah. Esther went to meet the Sebagwa and Elwood. They can't settle that thing that night after Genosage's birthday. That night, now they can't go meet them. You can't settle them. Okay, so that's just it. Oh no, it's asking about the video. It's on a Queen TV. Now I do the video. So the video. The person not be say the person praise I not see the video, no I told I not see and I in the tell me now Wetin happen. He said the person praise Esther well, then make Esther share that video. But at the end of the video, the person the talk say Edward oath pass destiny. So now that one, now people will still know her. I clean my nose, so thank you. And then I call me, I can't go back. You don't clean? Yeah, I will go see your nose. Yeah, the screenshot. Yeah, the screenshot. Yeah, the screenshot there now. Okay. Yeah, the screenshot. Yeah, the screenshot there now. The message is the one that is very important. Thank you, Popori sister. Thank you. So that was it. This is the mouth of the Snebagwa. He's happily with the wife. He's happy. Let's say, brother, celebrate. Many people they jealous you. You know there is you to have wife and a side chick, bring it there together. There are many that wants to be. God in Italy. Yeah, man. You see, they make me rock power. Okay. Maybe Esther no watch the video. He say no watch and finish. I saw it talk. So. He said, make I tell you now. Say people are jealous. Me even tell them. People are jealous of Destiny Bagwa because of this triangle love we get with Edward. Edward is a successful businesswoman. Esther Dokpa is a successful musician, actress, everything up by your boy. So there are many people that want to have this kind of friendship to bring out their side chick, as they call them. They can't do it. Let me just for voice social media. That's your corner. Side chick want to be, he want a side chick want to make a boyfriend, a my friend, contact her the role for social media. Only way okay, only walk back and hear that be the big man wife waiting for Holland. Yeah, while that be the problem where the Coca-Cola runner. And why that cannot come out and choose her. But well, yes, this is my side chick. The only side chick we know is there's a bag one guy to wife, he gets side chick. There are many people that want to be the position of a Esther as a side chick. So that every while go take on the proud, yes. Every while we hear the only big my wife when he know maybe my while. So we cannot only hear 40 man, only hear 40 man, only hear 40 destiny bagwa. Who come? So the man here social media no who go there go see go pay here. Destiny bagwa is a man that can stand his wife and that can stand his side chick. So any man when they like what Destiny bagwa to do, maybe because they shine, maybe because they showcase he woman and his side chick. You know fit do am. So make we let peace reign for their house. Make we not go defend wetin no support, wetin no dey the family. Okay. Me I not go accept. Okay, but that's why I said the woman can't show us. I will show us say they're happily married. Is I accept her. Okay, walking like me. Me I not go accept. Okay, my papa, get many women way born for my partner. I'm for we black people. How many women they born for my father? How many women papa they keep for us? Okay, how many women papa they keep for us? So no ask me that question. But nowadays nobody want to accept them. But some men they see they do them. Some men see they do them. So I said they say back what they can take next chest. I must own my wife. It's 6 years of banner. You start easy now to celebrate 6 years of a side chick as I call her. So we have to celebrate it on the 16th of February. So we have to celebrate him. You're going to Japan. They're just celebrating her. Because somebody see they have managed to, they don't even reach a year. Not to talk to being a side chick. Okay, can she? It's because it's not married to you. Oh, my baby, oh, my. Okay, he's too intelligent. I love Destiny. Please don't call Esther side chick. Okay, mama. No, just to say now. You know, so some people, some men, they are married. But their side chick want to be announced the way they are announcing Esther. Okay? But the men, they are not ready to do it. Then they cause all this fracas. The one where they the other side, don't go Germany the other day. That told her wife, or the woman that could go. He went back, pardon, what you know, second match. He went if you pardon the water, or second match. Then water will make a town, you make where any evil supporter. No road Donny, or they'll call him. You tell what you were better than the wish. I don't need your birthday wishes. Keep it to yourself, madam. I don't need it. A friend to you people is my enemy. Okay? Because you people choose to be enemy to people on this social media. Then you go with it. So many people, why not keep us together? I'm going to tell the if I reach by 5 o'clock, maybe. If I feel come out this evening, we see. If I don't feel come out, we see tomorrow. Why not keep us together? Well, ciao, bye-bye.